¡Vais a rellenar faltas! Pero el tema está atrás, ¿eh? No dejarnos 2-3 ataques, nos mete el parcial 6-0, tío. In defense, ¿ok? Where is my man? There. Where is my man? At the paint. Foul. Easy basket.
We need to start to play defense immediately, right away. Marinkovic running, 3-point shot. Moneke getting, 1-on-1. Moneke getting, shooting. We need to start to play defense early.
Ahora bajamos nosotros el nivel, esperamos a que ellos sigan pegando, poniendo manos, etcétera. Nos quedamos mirando unos a otros, no pasamos por arriba.
They are pushing you. They are pushing you. We have to attack. We have to attack, okay? We have to attack.
Let's score the easy baskets. Let's score those easy baskets. It's too difficult, man. They run every time we miss a layup, they run.
The key is the controlling of the ball enough. First period, only 7 turnovers. In this 7 minutes, 5. Vamos, Dios.
But they are scoring 2 or 3 times because of our turnovers, because we are playing in offense, but because they are playing very hard.
Maybe it was my fault because we didn't practice it. But guys, it's not the moment to be stuck. It's not the moment that the ball is hot in our hands. Okay? If somebody is scared, tell me.